In JavaScript, understanding the difference between loose equality and strict equality is crucial for writing predictable and bug-free code. This lesson will focus on strict equality, which checks both value and type without performing type conversion. The strict equality operator checks if two values are identical in both type and value. If the values are of different types, the comparison immediately returns false. For example, is strictly equal, is 5 equals string 5, is false due to different types. Empty string equals 0 is also false. True equals 1 will be false. False equals 0 is false. Null equals undefined is false. 0 equals string 0 is false since we are comparing a string and a number, and false equals string false is also false since we are comparing a boolean and a string. All the previous examples resulted in false due to different types. The strict equality operator, in contrast to the loose equality operator, does not perform automatic type conversion, so values must have the same data type to be considered equal. For example, is strictly equal 5 equals 5 is true. Null equals null is also true, and undefined equals undefined is true. We also have a strict version of the not equal operator. Is strictly not equal 5 is not equal to 5 is false, and 5 not equal to string 5 is true. There is one special case with the strict equality operator that involves not a number. Not a number equals not a number is false, since not a number is not equal to anything, including itself. To sum up, loose equality compares two values for equality, converting them to a common type if necessary. Strict equality checks for both type and value without type conversion, ensures comparisons are straightforward and clear. Best practice is to use strict equality to avoid issues with implicit type coercion. Loose equality in JavaScript performs type conversion before comparing values, which can lead to unpredictable results. On the other hand, strict equality compares both value and type without type conversion, making comparisons more predictable and clear. While loose equality can be useful in certain situations, it should be used cautiously to avoid unexpected behavior. It is generally considered best practice to use strict equality to ensure predictable and understandable code.